We have the following truss, and we would like to calculate the forces in all elements of the truss, AF, AC, CD, DG, and so on and so forth. First step is we need to calculate the reaction at support A and support B, and we do this by taking the moment about support A, because support A has two unknowns, as you can see here, and by doing so we'll be able to calculate the reaction at B, which is called RBY, and the value of which is 16. And then we calculate the reaction at A by doing the sum of all forces in y direction equal to 0, and we get the value of RAY 14. And because there is no horizontal force acting on this truss, so the horizontal reaction at A is equal to 0. So back to our truss here. Once we get the reactions done, we'll look for joints that has less than two unknowns, and this is valid for joint A and joint B, because each one has only two unknowns. This is known, this is unknown, and same thing goes for B. So we'll do the each joint at a time sequentially. So we're starting with A, then move to C, and then move to F and D, and so on and so forth. And the choice of joints will be always based on the condition that we have two unknowns or less. If we have more than two unknowns, we will not be able to solve calculate the forces in that joint, because we have only two equilibrium equations at our disposal, and these equations are the sum of all forces in y direction equal to 0 and all forces in x direction equal to 0. So we'll start with the joint A, and we'll continue as we go.